Imagine this, you spend hours on a presentation only to realize you need it in Spanish right now. Manually translating every slide, now that's a nightmare. But what if AI could do it for you in seconds? Let's put it to the test. All right, now let's see how long it would take to do this the old-fashioned way. I'll try translating a slide manually. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this, go from English to Spanish translator, put in the text there. We're gonna then copy it over and paste it. You know what? I'm already sick of it. This is already painful. Now let's see what AI can do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into extensions, and once we've downloaded GPT Workspace, we're just gonna press start. Now this is gonna bring GPT Workspace into our slide deck. Now all we're going to do is translate slide deck, and we're going to type in Spanish, and let's see what AI can cook up for us. And now it's generating the translation. And after the translation, I'll just say, I will proceed with replacing the content with the translated text. Do you want to proceed with this? You're going to press yes, proceed. And now it's cooking. It's cooking it up. And boom, the whole slide deck translated instantly. Everything is in Spanish. Amazing. The possibilities are truly endless. But what if I had to add a quick summary slide? Well, instead of manually typing this out, we can also use AI. So all we have to do is, can you add a quick summary slide at the end, please? Send that through. It's just cooked up the summary. And now we've got a new summary slide at the end. And if we want, we can just now translate this into Spanish as well. And let's just say you want to find some stock images, spice it up. It's looking kind of boring. GPT Workspace can handle that as well. Let's put in the keywords with Dubai skyscrapers, and architecture. And now it's going to start thinking, searching for some stock images that are appropriate to use for our slides. And now we can just start to paste some of these images in that we like. Just say you like that one, you can put it in. Say you want one with the Burj Khalifa, take that, you can paste that in there. And you don't have to now go out and do the Google searching yourself. Everything is already done for you, ready to use. It is absolutely awesome. This is just absolutely amazing for anyone that has to create Google Sheets and slide decks all the time. It saves you so much time and energy, and it's completely seamless. If you want to try this out yourself, grab a trial with GPT Workspace. The link is in the description below, and start using AI to save you time and upgrade your Google Slides today. Now, as usual, if this helped you, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more AI productivity hacks. See you next time.